Welcome to another day in paradise. Let's be honest, traveling isn't always paradise, as life isn't either. We are in the Monteverde National Park, but the way here wasn't as easy as planned. Halfway down here from Nueva Arenal, we stopped on the side of the road to fly the drone. And in the beginning everything was fine. I was flying like in between two trees and it looked really cool on the display. And then as soon as I was like 100-200 meters out in the fields, as we were standing in the shade of a mountain, just when I was out that far, the wind picked the drone. The app said, warning, high wind velocity, please fly back. The drone can't fly back on its own. So I turned around, I tried to fly back, but it wouldn't. The distance started increasing, even though I switched into sport mode and did my best to come back. I also flew further down to get out of the wind. That didn't help either, so I was drifting further away. And yeah, as I was fighting the wind, battery was depleting really fast, and I was just in panic searching for a road to fly to, because I realized, okay, I will not be able to come back by any means, so I rather try somewhere to find the drone. And so I got pretty close to a road, and then the signal said, okay, I'm completely out of battery. The drone landed by itself in the middle of nowhere, and we drove there. The app still had a lost signal and showed that on a map, and we tried to get as close as possible to there, and so we drove there. I jumped out of the car. We didn't drive the whole way because the street was very bad condition. It was just like gravel, stones, and really steep. I jumped out of the car, ran to the place where the app had its last connection, and then I was searching the whole area, but no choice at all. Like, there were trees everywhere, so it could have been hanging in the trees. Also, I wasn't sure, like the last moment where there was a connection and it said I'm going to land, the wind might have picked it anyways and carried it further out, so I wasn't sure about that either. So it could have been anywhere. I was searching for like half an hour or even more, and I couldn't find it, so it's lost forever. Second drone in like 1 year and a couple of months. That always makes me really sad. Also made me question whether to keep filming, whether I want another drone or not, because yeah, I always get really sad and upset when losing a drone, and I don't really know if I want to have that experience another time. And yeah, also it made me think a lot about this whole YouTube project, and if I want to continue on with it, like 40 clicks per video, which I spent a lot of money in video equipment like drones on, and also a lot of time and also a lot of heart in it, and then no one recognized it. That's really depressing. And yeah, so that's still in me, all those thoughts and all those feelings. And then we tried to get back to the street, and as I said, it was really steep. It was just gravel, and we almost got stuck. I was like sweating like hell from it. Was really warm, but also I was really anxious about not getting away and having even more problems. Frustrated. Also, yeah, really depressed and sad. So that is how life goes sometimes on traveling, but also when you're back home. And I thought I'll share this story as well, as it's part of this adventure. Sad times also belong to this. So yeah, maybe let me know in the comments below what you think about it, if you have experiences like that, or if travels is always rainbows and sunshines for you. Thank you for listening to this very different kind of story. I hope I'll see you in the next one on a more light and delightful tone. Until then, take care, don't lose your drone, have a good one, bye bye.